Inflation is nothing more than legalized theft. Hi, I'm Dr. Ron Paul, and to preserve your wealth, I highly recommend keeping physical gold in your retirement account. To learn more, text the word safeguard to 989898 to get a free info kit on gold IRAs from Birch Gold, which is the only gold IRA company I trust. So text safeguard to 989898 to request your free info kit right now. Spring has sprung in its full tilt boogie time at GiveMeTheVin.com, America's best car buyer. Fill up your car. GiveMeTheVin.com. Easy you can have it in your KFTK wants to help you deal with inflation. Coming up before the news at the bottom of the hour. A chance to win $1,000 to help beat inflation. 12 chances a day, 6 a.m. through 6 p.m. Thank you so much. Just by listening to KFTK.
Sponsored by Fox Family Heating and Air. Got a question about your air conditioning system? Call Fox Family Heating and Air. You'll get fast, honest, and friendly service from your conversation with the office staff to the technician who comes to your house. Visit FoxFamilyHVAC.com. That's FoxFamilyHVAC.com.
As inflation continues to keep a bite out of your finance. Okay, listen up. A chance to win $1,000. You want to listen to your keywords to win before the news at the bottom of the hour. By listening to KFTK.
When you're at home, you're always looking to KFBK. Just ask your smart speaker. Hey Google, play KFBK on iHeartRadio.
Before, if we're talking about people who understand business, if we're talking about people who are paying attention to the math, honestly, we're talking about people who can spell. We are not talking about Joe Biden. That is for sure. Here he is doing his
sitting on your knee, whisper routine. I'm gonna maybe sniff your head, and then I'm gonna just get all creepy.
I can't believe how